Before we begin, if this story helps you relax, you can gently support the channel by liking or subscribing. But for now, just get comfortable. Allow your body to rest exactly where you are. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Tonight, you are simply here. Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Again, breathing in softly and breathing out. Let your breath begin to slow. There is no effort here, only calm. Now, imagine you are walking slowly into a peaceful natural place. A quiet forest filled with soft light. The air is fresh, clean, gentle. You can feel it as you breathe in, cool and calming. And as you breathe out, you release anything you no longer need. With each step, your body begins to relax. The ground beneath your feet is soft. The sounds around you are quiet. A gentle breeze moves through the trees. Leaves softly whisper. Everything feels slow. Everything feels safe. You find a peaceful place to rest. A soft area of grass. Warm, comfortable, and calm. You gently lie down, and the earth beneath you supports your entire body. You don't need to hold yourself up. You can simply rest. Take a slow breath in and let it go. As you lie there, you begin to notice something. The natural world around you is gently taking care of you. The air you breathe feels healing, soft, pure. Each inhale brings calm into your body. Each exhale releases tension. Your shoulders begin to soften. Your arms relax. Your legs grow heavier. Your entire body letting dull. Now, imagine the ground beneath you is warm, not hot, just gently warm, like it is slowly sharing its calm with you. The warmth moves upward, through your back, into your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. A soft, natural healing, moving slowly, gently. Take another slow breath in and let it go. Your breathing becomes slower now, deeper, more natural, in and out. With every breath, you feel more relaxed, more at ease. The air around you continues to flow. Soft wind touching your skin, light, gentle, comforting. It carries away tension. It carries away stress, leaving only calm. Your body feels heavier, more supported, more connected to the earth, as if you are gently sinking into comfort. Your muscles soften more. Your face relaxes. Your jaw loosens. Even your eyes feel deeply at rest. There is nothing to hold, nothing to control, nothing to think about. Only this moment. Only this calm. Only this gentle healing. Now, imagine a soft, natural energy flowing through you. Not something strong, just a quiet, comforting presence. It moves slowly through your body, relaxing everything it touches. Your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your back, your legs, your feet. A full body calm, spreading gently. Take a slow breath in and let it go. With every exhale, you feel lighter, more peaceful, more still. Your thoughts begin to slow, softly, gently, like they are drifting away. You don't need to follow them. You can let them go. Everything becomes quieter. The forest around you remains calm, still, peaceful. Nothing disturbs you here. Nothing rushes you. Only rest, only calm, only healing. Your breathing becomes softer now. In and out. In and out. Between each breath, there is a quiet moment, a small space of stillness. And in that space, there is nothing at all. No thought, no effort, only peace. Stay here, resting, drifting gently. Your body feels warm, comfortably heavy, deeply relaxed. Your mind becomes quiet, still, soft. And as you remain here, surrounded by nature, supported by the earth, breathing in calm, breathing out tension, sleep begins to come closer, softly, naturally, without effort, like something that simply arrives. You may begin to drift, slowly, gently, deeper and deeper. Your thoughts fade. Your body rests, Your breathing slows and sleep welcomes you. You can let go now, completely, resting deeper into calm, into stillness, into sleep. Good night.